Y'all, this is epic. I've been doing your hair since what, 2013?
Yeah,
She
almost 10
never
years.
lets me take a picture of her face. She barely lets me take a picture. No, she barely even let me curl her hair. She's like, Charlie, just put this in my hair and spray it down. You know, as a matter of fact, I'll spray it down and scrunch it up at my house. That's where she be going with this. So this is a milestone. 2013.
10 years, almost.
Whoa. And this is the first, and she don't go to nobody else. Unless it's braids, she don't go to, y'all.
Faithful.
She feeling herself. She feeling herself. She feeling herself. All right, y'all, let's get into how she got to the point of finally letting me take some pictures. Look, she let me take videos, y'all. So we started off with this dark box color that she put on there. She brought it to me and said, Charlie, just fix it, do whatever. This is what I'm looking for. So I went in and started putting highlights in her closure. And I also did highlights in her bundles as well. I'll probably insert that in a minute. But yeah, we're going through here, putting a little lightener on everything. And I also put Olaplex. I need to start showing y'all what I put in my color in order to stop it from damaging your hair and damaging your bundles. All right, so now we're about to get into the actual install. I'm going through her hair, brushing it all out over here. Then she wanted a trim, so we're gonna go ahead and trim her on up, making sure her natural hair is good to go under here. Because like I said at the beginning, she just came out of some braids. So you got to give it a nice little trim. Make sure your stylist is taking care of your hair under there. And then when it comes to your edges and these braids, y'all need to be content with just wearing some edge control so that your edges can come back. So this is what happens when y'all let me do my thing. You know, she didn't give me no direction. She said, Charlie, this is what I want. This is where I'm at with it. These are the requirements. The rest, do you, honey? So, yes.
Thank you.
Gave her a nice little cut, color. Boop, boop. Stay tuned, because I did record it for my YouTube. Oh, MG. Yes, God, honey. Yes, God, honey. And this is what, deep wave hair, right?
Yes. Deep curly.
Deep curly hair?
Mm-hmm. For real.
Y'all see it? Y'all.
Crazy dark.
They're not. Oh, so cute. So cute. Whole new look. Time to go get that old old job back.
I'm back. Press. Oh my gosh.
Get into this color combo. Like, it was a collaboration because she put some red box color on there.
Okay.
But we went in and enhanced it. I'm sick. Don't be mad if you see me with this color on my head though, because yes, this is how you get out my chair. This is how you're supposed to get out my chair.